Ready? So I'm going to check my hands for any noticeable lesions, check my nails, see if anything's broken. Looks all good. If I had any jewelry or anything like that, like a watch, I'd take it off. Make sure your sleeves are pulled back. And then first I'm going to demonstrate the hand sanitizer. So I'm going to put on a dollop, the recommended amount, onto one hand, put them together, make sure I rub until they're completely dry. Got to perform good hand hygiene. So that usually takes 20 to 30 seconds to make sure that they're dry. So they're dry, and then I'm going to make sure again that there's no noticeable lesions. And now I'm going to perform soap and water. So I'm going to turn on the hot water. If I had a pedal, I'd use that. Again, going to check for any lesions or whatnot. Don't have that. We'll do the same as I did for the hand sanitizer. And so I'm going to wet up my hands a little bit. A little too hot, so I'm going to cool down a little bit. But you want to make sure it's nice and warm. Not excruciating hot though. And then I'm going to apply the recommended amount of soap. I'm going to lather my hands together with it. Got to make sure while you do this that your hands are down, elbows are up. Make sure the fingertips are down the whole time. And then I'm going to get in there. You want to make sure your fingers are interlaced, rubbing together. Make sure you got the back of the palm as well as the front. Going to do that for about 5 cycles each. And then if I had a pedal, I would let go of the pedal and it would stop. But first I'm going to dry my hands off. So we have paper towels. You use a clean paper towel. Dispose of it. And then to turn off the water, if you have a sink like this, you can use a clean paper towel. Turn it off, dispose of it, do one more check of the hands, make sure there's no lesions, make sure there's no visible dirt or grime or any substances on your hands. They look good, and that's how you do hand hygiene.